Welcome back. We're continuing the news. There's a call this evening for more discussions on resilience in tourism. As Javon Keys reports, the United Nations will be helping to drive more discourse around the issue.
Closing the general proceedings at the second and final day of the Global Tourism Resilience Conference in Montego Bay, St. James, this announcement from the Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett.
We are going to be rebranding the GTRCMC, and it will be GTRC. So we will be the Global Tourism Resilience Center.
In partnership with UN Tourism?
In partnership with UN Tourism.
This comes at the second annual commemoration of Global Tourism Resilience Day. The support from UN Tourism is expected to help the center, which is based in Jamaica, to drive strategies and solutions for tourism resilience around the world.
There is a building now of the resilience capabilities of our center by virtue of putting new life into our international program to enable us to utilize the avenues of the UN tourism to establish new centers all over the world.
Any timelines for those?
Well, that's urgent and immediate. Already we are in most continents, but not in most countries. So we will have the opportunity now to benefit from the 150 countries that are members of the UN tourism.
He says with this move, greater importance will be placed on research and discussions on resilience and improving the multi-billion-dollar sector.
They've talked about resilience in its generality, but what has not been as focused is tourism resilience.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.
And that's the local segment, but stay with us. News from overseas right after this break.